everyone, my name is Karina Ariani, you can call me Karina. Today I will present material about stereotypes based on the article Stereotypes written by Pedro Bordalo, Nicola Genaioli, and Adri Slaver. In this presentation, I will explain what stereotypes are, how stereotypes are formed, their effect on human thinking and behavior, and example of stereotypes in society. This topic is important because stereotypes influence how people judge others in everyday life. First, what are stereotypes? Stereotypes are simplified ideas or beliefs about a group of people. People usually create stereotypes to make information easier and faster to understand. Stereotypes can be positive or negative. For example, Asians are good at math, or male drivers are aggressive. According to the article, stereotypes focus on characteristics that are most noticeable or different from other groups. The problem is that stereotypes often ignore individual differences. Not everyone in a group has the same personality, ability. How stereotypes form? The article explains that stereotypes are formed because humans have limited memory and attention. People usually remember information that is most distinctive or representative. They focus more on unusual traits instead of common facts. For example, many people think Florida residents are elderly. However, the majority of people in Florida are actually just 19 to 64 years old. This happens because elderly people are seen as the most distinctive characteristic of Florida. So, stereotypes are often based on what is memorable, not what is more common. Okay, next slide. Characteristic of stereotypes. There are several important characteristics of stereotypes. First is exaggeration. Stereotypes make differences between groups look bigger than they really are. Second, stereotypes ignore diversity within a group. People assume all members of a group are similar. Third, stereotypes focus on extreme examples. People remember unusual cases more easily. And lastly, stereotypes simplify complex social realities. Because of these characteristics, stereotypes can lead to unfair judgment and discrimination. Okay, next slide. Effect of stereotypes. Stereotypes affect how people think and make decisions. One effect is called confirmation bias. This means people pay attention to information that supports stereotypes and ignore information that contradicts them. Another effect is base rate neglect. People ignore real statistical facts and focus only on striking examples. This effect increases prejudice, discrimination, and social conflict. For example, if someone already believes in negative stereotypes about a group, they may judge members of that group unfairly. Okay, next slide about gender stereotypes. The article also discusses gender stereotypes, especially in mathematics. Many society stereotypes men as being naturally better at math than women. Because of this stereotype, women may underestimate their abilities, while men may become overconfident. This can influence educational choice and careers. For example, fewer women choose engineering or science field even though many women have strong academic abilities. The article explained the stereotypes can shape confidence and self-identify. So, in conclusion, stereotypes are mental shortcuts that help people process information quickly. However, stereotypes are often oversimplified and inaccurate. They can influence belief, behavior, and social relationships. The article shows that stereotypes are formed from distinctive traits, not always from reality. Therefore, we should avoid judging people only based on stereotypes and instead see individuals based on their real abilities and character. Alright, that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.